Walking down the red carpet with Rafi and Nina. The most promising stars of this generation. I can never decide to laugh again. The most promising stars in the soon-to-be blockbuster makers. Sa mga salinan, we are taking our energy. Grabe. To be able to reach this point in time is such a wonderful blessing to see tayo sa dalawang ito. Ashton Alvin mula Brother. Oh my gosh, wow! Guys, you're seeing right now Ashton and Andres. Guys, batiin nyo muna silang lahat tonight. Ashton!
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat!
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much for everyone. Thank you for being here tonight. It means a lot and we really appreciate it.
Yes, kahit maulan, nandito kayo, sinusuportahan kami. Maraming salamat po.
Umulan bumagyo, ayos lang. Ayos lang. Guys, kanina pa sila nandyan para supportahan kayo. They have been waiting for hours just to see you. Finally, you are here. Andres, how does it feel that later, seconds from now, mapapanood mo na yung Minamahal? How do you feel about it?
Ayun nga, it's surreal, you know. I really can't believe everything that's happening or everything that's happened in the last few months. And really, to everyone that has supported us along the journey and supported me and supported Ash along the ride, thank you so much. Kakaiba talaga yung support mo. We're just appreciative to be here.
Beautiful. Ang ganda na sinabi mo, thank you to everyone who supported you along the ride. Kasi it's really a beautiful ride. Now, Ash, wow, is this your first film?
As a lead,
As a lead, guys, as a lead! Oh, ano feeling? How do you feel right now? You are the lead sa sarili mong pelikula. How do you feel, Ash?
Wala, hindi ako makapaniwala pa rin hanggang ngayon. Hindi pa rin lahat nagsisink in. Pero mas nararamdaman ko ngayon yung pagmamahal at suporta ng bawat isa na nandito. Maraming salamat po. Nawala talaga lahat ng pagod na nararamdaman namin this past few days na dahil sa mga sigawan nyo. Kaya thank you so much po.
Yes, maraming salamat for those very kind, beautiful words. Pero tawagin muna natin siyempre, Direk JPL. Yes! Join us here on stage, Direk. Welcome. Direk, ayan, grabe. Direk, any early message para sa dalawang ito?
Ginit niya ako, gagawin na naman nila akong meme.
Direk, kasama mo ako sa laban na to.
Ano yun? Sorry.
Kasama mo ako sa laban na to.
Ba yung tanong mo?
Hindi, ano yung mensahe mo para kay Andres and Ashton? Ngayon, nandito na sila sa stage.
This is just the beginning. Kasi literal, this is just the beginning. Kasi nakikita ko, ang dami nyo pang gagawin. After nito, mapa-series man or movie. So, kung ano man yung attitude na meron kayo nitong ginagawa natin, itong pelikula, dalhin nyo lang and we'll go far.
No, maraming salamat, Direk. And I'm sure lahat ng mga tao, mamahalin tong pelikula ito. Tulad ng pagmamahal nila kay Ashton and Andres. Guys, sabi ko nga sa kanila, everything that you're seeing right now, this is a manifestation na when you really want something, all the universe conspires to help you achieve it. And of course, it's a blessing from God. Diba? So, wow, segundo mula ngayon, mapapanood natin ang blockbuster artists na ito na talagang bibida sa mga sinehan. The first out of the many movies that you guys are yet to make. Now, Andres, imbitahan mo sila lahat September 24 to watch your film.
Yes, I'm inviting you all to watch Minamahal, Isang Daan Bulaklak para kay Luna. Written and directed by Direct Jason Paul Lacsamana. In cinemas, September 24, nationwide.
Let's go! How about you, Ash?
Yes, ayun po, ulitin ko lang po yung sinabi ni Andres. Minamahal, Isang Daang Bulaklak para kay Luna. This September 24 na po yan. This Wednesday. Sana po supportahan nyo. Thank you so much po.
There we go. Cams, can I just say, Andres, ang pogi mo ngayon. Look at that, no? Ashton also, grabe ka. You are like a princess tonight. Grabe. Yun yung prince mo. Anyway, thank you so much. Guys, sa lahat mo ng mga ticket holders natin, you can now go inside the cinemas. For picture muna tayo sa ating cameras dito. Sa mga cinema 2 ticket holders, punta na tayo na papasok na po yung cast natin right after this. Again, cinema 2 ticket holders, punta na tayo sa loob, pupunta po yung cast natin doon. There we go. Again, cinema 2 ticket holders, pasok na po tayo. Thank you, Ash, Andres, and of course, the brains and heart of this film, Minamahal, Direct JPL. Thank you so much. I'll see you inside. Sa mga audiences, pasok na po tayo sa loob ng CN side. Thank you so much. It's CJ Bonusensya.
I used to remember the minutes of my father and my last and my family now attending on my own. I would be ano bang pag-ibig na panood na yung movie kami ng pwede bang tama manood ng I can like everyone to know I'm thinking about it.
Ano na po kayo? Sige na po.
Sige na.